Ever found yourself at the checkout without your PayPal card? No problem. Today I am going to show you how to use PayPal credit in store without needing a physical card. This quick guide will ensure you can shop seamlessly even when you are cardless. First, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't download the PayPal app or visit their website and sign up, once you're in, navigate to the wallet section and ensure that PayPal credit is activated. If you're eligible, this will provide you with a digital line of credit. Next, set up a secure PIN for your PayPal account. This is crucial as you'll need it to access your credit line in stores. Go to your account settings, find the security options, and create a memorable PIN that only you will know. Before heading out, check which stores accept PayPal payments. Many major retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, and Starbucks are part of this program. You can usually find this information on the PayPal websites or by asking at the store. When you're ready to pay at a participating store, select the PayPal option at checkout. Enter your mobile number linked to your PayPal account. Input your PIN when prompted. Voila, your payment will be processed within your PayPal credit. For added security, you can also generate a unique single-use code from the PayPal app. Just show this code to this cashier instead of using your phone number. Using PayPal credit in store without a card is not only convenient but also secure. With just your phone number and PIN or even a unique code, you can shop confidently wherever PayPal is accepted. So next time you're caught without your card, remember these simple steps and enjoy hassle-free shopping experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.